In this lecture, we will learn about how to convert hexadecimal number to its equivalent octal form. So here 1 to 15 decimal numbers and their respective binary numbers and hexadecimal numbers are given. The example number here is 1F7. This is a hexadecimal number. So what we are going to do is each bit in this number we are going to replace it with its 4-bit equivalent binary number. So let's see here. For 7, the equivalent binary number will be 111. Then it is a 3-bit, right? So we will add 0 from the left, so it will be 4-bit. So for F, the equivalent binary representation is 1111, and for 1 the equivalent binary representation is 1. So we will add 3 zeros here in front of it, so it will be 0001, and as shown here. So for 7, for F, and for 1. So now in the end we will just join the answers together, and the zeros in the left sides are of no use, so we will just discard them. So the remaining is our answer. So this is the octal form of the given hexadecimal number. So this is how we convert hexadecimal numbers into its equivalent octal form. So what we learn in this video is how to convert hexadecimal number into its octal form.